got this track, and it's basically you're supposed to put one, and it goes down here, and then it goes there, and then the orange thing flips out, and then that's how you do it. So, do you want a replay of it? Because if I show you the race, of the replay now or later. I guess later after I'm do the race. All right. A bet. That's what the song is. I learned it now. Pack is a permit. Pack is a permit. Sorry, I placed you into another place so you can see the track better. Right. Look at these cars out. I got the super rare blue one and the super rare gold one. Let's see who wins first. Oh, we have to do this. So that way it can stay better. But you're supposed to make it up. So I'm gonna do this. Alright. Who wins 3, 2, 1? Go on. Well, maybe the blue one won. Good job, blue one. The blue car won. He stayed alive this whole time. And he gets second because he failed before he reached the finish line with blue car. So he loses. And he wins. That's the first winner. I'm going to get my bucket. So as I'm going to let McQueen cars and Hot Wheel cars. Let me go get it real quick. Alright, I'm here. Yeah. I got my Hot Wheel bucket right here. And let's see which character is next. Well, I think I pick this one. And Ryan picks this one. That was Jason and my mom. Alright, this is me and Ryan. So let's go. That's my mom, sorry. Oh, not again. Let's do this again. And 3, 2, 1. I won! Watch the replay. I won, yeah. I won with the blue car, since I got a blue car too. And Ryan with lost. I hope you have a great day. Like and subscribe. If you get this to 100 likes, I will do a part 2 of this. So anyways, bye.